Hello, Forex traders, and welcome to the Simple Forex Trade Setups, where I'm going to go through 10 charts and look at setups on the 4-hour time frame. So I'll share my screen. All right. If you're online, then feel free to pop your questions into the chat box as I go. I will check throughout the show. The first chart that I'm going to be looking at is GBPCAD. This is a trade that I'm already in from last week. If you're part of my Inner Circle Telegram group, then you would have seen that trade setup published there. And these are the entry, stop loss, and profit targets. At the moment, the trailing stop is at this point here, already reached TP1, and we're still in the trade and holding that position. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBPJPY. So with this currency, I'm looking at short in terms of where we are on the daily is just underneath that 153.5 horizontal level, and I'm looking for a short from around this area. At the moment, I would like to see a little bit of a sideways, maybe a bar there, just a bit more sideways, or maybe even a little bit, the movement a little bit further up towards the horizontal line, and then a reversal. And if those conditions would be met, then I'm looking for a short on GBPJPY. Our next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. So USDJPY, I'm looking for short off this level. At the moment, it's charging up, so I will need to wait a little bit. So on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a reversal. If there is no reversal and it keeps going up, that's fine. I'm going to be staying out in that case. So I'm only interested if there is a reversal at this point. The next currency pair I'm looking at is EURUSD. And EURUSD, I'm looking for long. This currency pair, I'm looking at it as a ranging market there. And so I'm looking to go long off the bottom there. So at the moment, it has been approaching for quite some time. There was a level here where I was looking for long from then. And at the moment, it's the setup is looking quite good at that horizontal level at 1.17. So let's see what happens there. If there is another, maybe a couple of bars going sideways and then a reversal, then I'm looking for long. Next currency pair, I'm looking at EURAUD. Now, EURAUD, I'm looking for a short. So this is what it looks like on the daily time frame. It has had that pullback off the 1.62 horizontal level. And at the moment, let's see. For a short, the price would need to come up a little bit more, either to that peak or at least to the trend line there. And then I would be looking for a short at that point. So not right now because it's already too low. It needs to come up to this entry area here first. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EUROJPY. EUROJPY I'm looking for short. So that has already been going down quite a bit. There's a bit of a consolidation sideways movement here. So in terms of the price action, would need to come up first before looking for a reversal and looking for short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Aussie USD. Aussie USD at the moment, I'm looking for short. It has been already going down quite a bit. So again, looking at it going sideways at the moment. So I need to see some price movement upwards towards that those peaks here or towards the trend line. And then I would be looking for a short if the price is at that level up here. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPUSD. And GBPUSD, I'm looking for a short. So at the moment, this is where we are, just off the top 1.42. So looking for, on the 4 hourly, looking for the price to go a little bit further up to the trend line or to this horizontal level there. Let's move that down a little bit. So there. And then I would be looking to short from that entry zone here. Next currency pair I'm having a look at is USDCAD. And USDCAD I'm looking to short. So on the daily, in terms of where we're at, just came up to this level here and looking at short from there. So in terms of the price action, looking for the price to come up a little bit to that trend line or to this level horizontal at those peaks there, and then looking for short from there. And the last currency pair I'm going to have a look at is EURGBP. EURGBP, I'm looking for long. So on the daily, it's been in a bit of a range. So I'm looking to see the reversal around this area, if there is any. So just waiting for that. And at the moment, there was a little bit of a plateau here, but it didn't quite reverse, only a little bit. So just waiting for a bit more side movement there. And then let's see if there is a reversal to go back up for a long trade. So yeah, maybe waiting for some price action to go sideways or to come up a bit and then come back and then do a reversal in that area there. So still looking for a long on the EURGBP. All right, if you have any questions, please pop them into the chat box. I will have a look and see if there are any questions. If there are no questions, I will pop a link into the chat with the simple forex setup in a circle. So if you want to follow along outside of this show, then you can register there for all the updates in terms of trade setups and any trade management as well. All right. So thank you very much for being here and watching the show today. I will be back next week, Wednesday at 1 p.m. Singapore time. And I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.